Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I have a really cool product from PicassoTiles. It is a magnetic tile racing track set. I can't wait to open this up and play with it. So let's start the show. Hey, welcome back to the show. Magnetic tile sets are one of the best toys that you can get your kids. As a teacher and a dad, I find my kids always being so creative in what they build with these. It's basically you're taking their tiles and you can snap them together with magnets. The cool thing about PicassoTiles is they have some really cool sets. They have a marble track set and they have this racing track set what we're going to open up today. So let's start the show and see what's inside here. Got some stickers here that go on some signs. So we have 4 long tracks, 16 support systems, 8 curved tracks, 12 slotted squares, 4 rectangles, 4 long triangles, 2 race cars, and they both take AA batteries. This is the PicassoTile 50 set racing track set. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. PicassoTiles has some really cool, fun toys for your kids or the classroom. I think you could be really happy with it. I'll have a link down below where you can find it on Amazon. They have awesome customer support. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.